Hi guys, today we will talk about how to memorialize account on your Messenger app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Messenger app. All you have to do, you just go up here, you click here on app, then it's going to show for you window like this. And you just go up, you click here on this mark settings, then it's going to take you to next window here like you say. And you just go down here, then you come here to personal details. You will click here and you come here to next window. You just click here on personal details, then it's going to take you here to this window and you click here on account ownership and control. You would click and you click here on memorialization and you click here on this your account and you click here on memorialize account. You will just click here and you click here on next and it's going to memorialize account with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.